What kind of diseases do we get?
Ma'am, diarrhea.
Yes, diarrhea, and there are three
Ma'am,
diseases mentioned.
jaundice.
Jaundice, very
Ma'am,
good.
joint
Diarrhea,
diseases.
diarrhea, jaundice, and
Ma'am,
dysentery. Okay?
okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Look,
dysentery.
look at page number 128, last line of the page. The last line, what does it say? It is mentioning three diseases we get if we drink contaminated water. 128. Can all of you see the answer? The last line of the page.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, so write these three diseases in the fill-ups. Dysentery, jaundice, and diarrhea. Okay, I'm repeating the answers for those who have joined late. Beta, we are doing fill-ups of page number 131.
Ma'am, can I repeat?
Okay, Krishav, you repeat all of it. All of them.
Smoking causes dash, air pollution. Petroleum is
Slowly,
a
slowly.
smoking causes air pollution.
Second one.
And petroleum is a fossil fuel.
Petroleum is a fossil fuel. Then third one.
Drinking polluted water can.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Can
Drinking.
causes.
Okay, wait, beta. Krishav, wait. Drinking polluted water can cause dash. It can cause waterborne diseases. Then noise pollution can lead to dash. Noise pollution can lead to hearing problems.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
And what we are doing?
We are doing fill in the blanks of chapter number 19. We are on page number 131. Okay. Now everybody knows
Yes.
what we are doing. Is there anybody in the class who doesn't know what is going on? Children, all of you know what you are doing, what you are supposed to do?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Noise pollution can lead to hearing problems. Then the fifth one, dash, are diseases caused by drinking contaminated water. What are the diseases caused by drinking contaminated water? They are dysentery, jaundice, and diarrhea. Okay. Then coming on to the next exercise.
Standard diseases.
Beta, diseases are dysentery, jaundice, and diarrhea. And for the spellings, look at page number 128, the last line of the page. These three diseases are mentioned over there. Page number 128, the last line. Okay, found it, Naman?
Okay, ma'am.
Then, coming on to the next exercise. Answer in one word. The things that pollute the environment are called dash. Who knows the answer?
Ma'am, can I tell?
No, no, no. Only raise your hand. Children who are raising their hands will only get a chance to give answer. Rest, those whose cameras are off, they will not be a part of this. Okay, Advika Gupta, answer.
Ma'am, pollutant.
Very nice. It is pollutants. Anything that pollutes the environment is called a pollutant. Then read out the next one. Who will read out the next one? Nihit Agarwal, read out the second one. Answer in one
Yes,
word.
ma'am. The intent
Agents.
that
The agents.
the agents that pollute the environment.
What are the agents that
Ma'am.
pollute the environment?
Ma'am, water, air, and factories.
Factories. We get
Yes, ma'am.
pollution in the air through these agents. Oh, sorry, in the environment through these agents. What are the agents? Water, air,
Ma'am, water, air, and
factories.
factories.
Water,
Yes,
air,
ma'am.
and factories. Read out the next. Krishav Sahni.
Yes, ma'am. Contaminations of the environment is
The third one is contamination of the environment. What is it called? Contamination of the environment is called
environmentation.
environmental contamination.
Yes,
Beta, I'm typing the answer in the chat box. Everybody look.
ma'am.
Ma'am, your mic is muted.
Okay, children, listen. I'm typing all the answers of exercise B. Fine. There is a correction in one. You have to make correction in one answer. B. The first one is the things that the things that pollute the environment are called pollutants. Then the second one is the agents that pollute the environment are water, air,
Air and
and it's not
And
factories. No, it's not factories. It's forests. It's
forest.
forest. Yes,
Ma'am,
Okay.
forest. It's the forest. Then the third one is contamination of the environment is called environmental contamination. Environmental. Please, mental, the spelling of mental, make it MEN. Okay, MENTAL. Then liquid waste from liquid waste from factories. It is called water waste. All right, written. All of you have done these. Everyone.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then coming on to the exercise C. Now match the following. Methane matches to. What does methane match to?
Garbage kettle and the garbage.
Ma'am,
Garbage. Yes. Methane.
Garbage kettle and garbage.
Sulfuric acid.
ma'am, acid rain.
Very nice. Sulfuric acid comes from acid rain. Then we have carbon monoxide.
Ma'am, vehicles.
Carbon monoxide, this gas is released. by vehicles. And the last, carbon dioxide.
Ma'am, burning garbage.
Burning
Very nice. It is burning of garbage. Done. Now everybody get ready with your copies. Everybody get ready with your copies.
ये यार छोटा डिब्बा नहीं है तेरे पास?
Rishabh, mute yourself.
Sorry, ma'am.
Children, open your copies. Write down question number 1.
Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
Question number 1 is, name the 2 sources of pollution.
Ma'am, please tell C exercise answer.
The exercise, which answer? All the
Ma'am,
answers? All, okay. Methane. Now the methane matches to what? It matches to garbage. Oh, sorry, garbage. Methane matches to garbage. Then sulfuric acid comes from acid rain. Carbon monoxide is released from vehicles. So it matches to vehicles. And carbon monoxide, sorry beta, carbon monoxide comes from vehicles, and last one, carbon dioxide, it comes from burning garbage. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
Adeshika Gangwar, are you doing your work?
Ma'am, what is the answer?
Answer 1. Okay, who will tell answer 1? Name 2 sources of pollution. Who will tell? Anybody knows the answer? Everybody put your cameras on. No one knows. Everyone has written the question.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Written questions.
Okay, children. Now, when this question has been asked, what are the 2 sources, or name 2 sources of pollution? That means name 2 things from which pollution comes. Source is what? Source is a place from which anything rises, right? So there can be 2 kinds of sources. It could be man-made and it could be natural.
Natural.
So let's write one example of each. First, the source of pollution can be, write down the answer. Name 2 sources of pollution. So the first source is volcanic eruptions. And number 2, answer number 1, I'm typing in the chat box. Volcanic eruptions. And tell me the second one. Any man-made pollution, man-made source of pollution. Children, what it could be?
Noise pollution.
Ma'am, garbage.
Very good. Let's write burning of garbage. Okay. When we burn garbage, a lot of smoke is emitted through it.
And noise pollution.
Which gas is emitted when we burn garbage?
Carbon dioxide and carbon.
No, carbon dioxide. Okay. Volcanic eruptions and burning of garbage are two sources of pollution. Again, spelling mistake. Pollution. Okay. Ready with the next question?
We are writing.
Okay, write it down.
Ma'am, please tell the answer one.
Yes?
Ma'am, please tell the answer one.
Please send answer one. What are you saying?
Ma'am, please tell on the answer one.
Beta, it is in the chat box.
Ma'am, we have written the question 2.
All right, very nice.
Ma'am,
What is question number 2? What is a pesticide? Now, anybody knows what pesticides are?
ma'am, pesticide, a chemical used for killing harmful insects.
Yes. Pesticides are chemical substances that are used to kill or control pests or insects. And where are these pests and insects found?
Ma'am, in the soil pollution.
No. They are found on the crops. So what happens when we spray or sprinkle these pesticides on the plants? These pesticides come into the soil, and that is why it causes soil pollution. The answer is in the chat box, children. Write it from there. Pesticides are chemical substances used to control or kill pests or insects. Written, children?
Ma'am, please wait for 1 minute.
And I joined late the meeting, so please tell which chapter we will doing.
Now, beta, we are almost on the finish of chapter number 19. We have done all the exercises. Is this your time to join the class?
Ma'am, we have done. Ma'am, we are done.
Very good. Read out the next one.
What are landfills?
Okay, anybody can tell? Landfills. Okay, landfills are places where disposable material and garbage is buried. It is also known as garbage dump or dumping ground. It is a place, children, that is drawn in your book also. A picture is given in the book also where all the garbage of a place is dumped or thrown. The answer is in the chat box. Do it.
मम्मा देखिए तुम्हारा राइटिंग देखिए मेरी
Children, written the next one.
Ma'am, I have done and I also written the question 4.
What about others? Everyone has done?
मैम वेट फॉर 5 minutes
Ma'am, we are writing.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, only 3 minutes are left.
3 minutes are left, so we can do the last answer in these 3 minutes. What is the last question? How-
What causes soil or land pollution?
Yes, what causes? Tell me, how is it caused?
Ma'am, through pesticides.
Okay, underline this line on page number, then everybody will write it on your own. I'm not typing the answer in the chat box. Page number 129. In soil pollution, everybody found out? Page number 129, soil pollution.
Where?
Page number 129, the paragraph of soil pollution. The first line, soil or land pollution occurs when we do not dispose of waste properly or throw a lot of chemicals in the form of pesticides and fertilizers into the soil. What is the question? What causes soil or land pollution? So this is the only thing that causes soil or land pollution when we do not dispose of the waste properly or we throw a lot of chemicals into the soil. That is the main cause of soil or land pollution. Underline the first line. Everyone has found it?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Ma'am, this is answer.
Better, this is answer number 4. All of you do this answer. With this, we will be finishing off exercise A, B, C, and D today. And one of you will post the work on the class group after doing it. Fine?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. That's all for today's class. Yes?
Ma'am, what is the answer for?
Beta, answer 4 is on page number 129. Open page number 129 and look at the paragraph soil pollution. The first line, soil or land pollution occurs when we do not dispose of waste properly or throw a lot of chemicals in the form of pesticides and fertilizers into the soil. This is answer number 4.
Ma'am, I have done the answer number 4.
Good. Now, children, that's all for today's class. See you in your next class now.
Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am,
Good.
bye.
Bye, beta.
Bye,
Bye.
ma'am.